It's a review of the GSI Outdoor Lexan manual coffee grinder. There's only one other review of this on the internet, and I wanted to show you guys a little bit about it. The main thing is that this comes off, and then there's a little notch in the side right there that the handle stores in, like that, sorry, and it stays pretty compact. Sliding little door right here for your coffee, and it's not going to come open in your pack unless it's really bad out there. But the way you adjust your coarseness is with this little thing right here, and you'll notice the if you can see that, nope, the middle doesn't turn, but the wing nut does. So let me just grind you a little sample real quick and see if I can show that to you. And it's kind of hard to hold it, so if there's some way to make a handle on it, that'd be awesome. So we loosened it, so that's going to make it a larger grind. And I'll just show you without picking it up and doing it again. If we turn it, I had it on what I like. Now we'll go another turn to the right to make it finer. So you can't really, it's not really focusing in on that. I'm sorry, but this is, you keep going on another probably 2 turns and you'll have it as fine as the micro grind Starbucks coffee. And this is about what I use for French press. I go a little bit in between for just regular, but I don't use this all every day, of course, just every once in a while. I'm trying to show you this lid, or the handle, I mean. So you take it in the normal position, put it to where the notch is, flip it over, and that's why your handle's shaped like that. And there you go. Now you're locked up. And when you're carrying in your pouch, your pack, it comes with a little cover, and that hasn't come off. Hand wash only, BPA free, it says on the bottom. And that's my review of the GSI Outdoor Lexan coffee grinder.